Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool product here. As you can see, it's pretty much in the bag. But pretty much what it is a motorcycle, skiing, snowboarding, padding for your butt and hips. So first thing first, let me show you guys what it looks like first and then talk about the product. So here is what the product looks like, you guys can see. So this is the front side. So this is pretty much like a pants that you guys can use to go snowboarding, skiing, or motorcycle. Anything that can help you protect you from falling so it won't hurt as much. So pretty much you get padding for the side of your hips, and then if you turn it around, you get padding for the butt and then your inner thighs or the back of your thighs and whatnot. So you get padding pretty much everywhere around your butt and your legs area, which is really nice, especially if you guys are snowboarding or skiing, because if you guys fall on your butt, you guys have protection and it won't hurt as bad as it would without it. And then this is actually adjustable in a way with the strap, so if you unbuckle it or unstrap it, you guys can put in much easier, and you guys can actually tighten it or loosen it however you want to. So if you can see, the material is actually really stretchy, which is really nice. And then when you put this on, it's actually really comfortable, because I was actually able to test it out first, and this is really nice material. Like, it's breathable material and it's actually sweat resistant. Whether or not it's actually waterproof, I don't really know yet, because I actually haven't had the time to go snowboarding yet. So once I actually test it out, I'm gonna put another video out to let you guys know whether or not it's actually waterproof and whatnot, and how comfortable it actually is after going to snowboarding. So that's pretty much everything that's on this pants and everything. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it. So this product in particular, you guys can actually get it on Amazon or any other website. I actually bought this on Wish because I wanted to see how much difference it is compared to the Amazon one, because my friend has the Amazon one. And the material is actually pretty much the same thing almost. Like, obviously the one that's on Wish is probably not as good as the Amazon one for some reason, but the one on Wish is actually quite as good. The padding is pretty much very similar and exactly the same as the one you guys can buy on Amazon. The only difference is just you buy it from different site and probably about a different seller, but they're all probably coming from the same area, because this is made from China, and the one from Amazon that my friend has is from China as well. This one actually got it around like $12 or $13 on Wish, not including shipping. So including shipping was around, I believe, like $19 or $20. So if you guys are willing to pay that much amount for it, then I would highly recommend getting one of these if you guys want one. And if you guys are considering maybe to get one, maybe not to get one, if you guys are one of those people who fall a lot when you guys are going skateboarding, snowboarding, or any kind of physical activity where you guys fall on your butt or your hip or side, falling in general, I would definitely highly recommend getting one of these or knee pads or both, so you guys can be more protected. And these actually are really nice to the point where it actually doesn't like stop you from doing your physical activity, where it's like you guys can't bend or you guys can't flex or anything. It's actually really comfortable, and it feels like you're just literally just wearing like an underwear or something underneath, because when you put this on, you guys don't actually have to wear underwear or anything. You just have to slip this on and just do whatever you want. But for me to actually give you guys the full in-depth of the whether or not this product is actually worth it, I had to go test it out first and then come back, like you guys know, in the next update video. But from a first hand perspective, it is quite worth it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have